Hello everyone, so welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to cover calculation of line of regression. So basically in this module we will going to see what are the various methods that are available by using we build line of regression. So basically total three methods are there by using which we can build the line of regression. One is direct method, second one is least square method, and the last method is using standard deviation method. By using all three methods we can build line of regression. So explanation about all method we're going to start from the next slide. So before that we'll see, since already we know that line of regression is of two type. One is line of regression y on x and the other is line of regression x on y. So this is y on x, this is x on y. One thing is common in both the line. Here we have the parameter x bar and y bar. Here also we have the parameter x bar and y bar. The differ parameter in both the lines are, here we have byx while here we have bxy, and this is called coefficient of regression y on x. This is called coefficient of regression x on y. So now after that we'll see what are the procedure to calculate coefficient of line of regression, that is a b. So with the help of this table we can understand. First we'll see the direct method. If we are using direct method to build line of regression, so the most important parameter is coefficient of regression, that is a b. So if we want to calculate byx, so to calculate byx we will use this formula, and to calculate bxy we will use this formula. The formula is looking quite complicated, but it is simple. Here if you see the numerator part, in byx and bxy are same. Here we have summation of x into y into summation of x into summation of y upon n. Here also same parameter is there, right? Only denominator is different. In byx the denominator we have x summation of x square, and then we have summation of x whole square upon n, because here we are calculating by on x, so that's why denominator contain x. But if we're going in reverse order, if we're going to calculate bxy, then in that case the denominator will have only y, right? I hope this thing is understood to you. But if we are going for the standard deviation method, in the standard deviation method, if we want to calculate byx, so we'll use the formula r into sigma y upon sigma x. Here we are calculating byx, right? So y should be there in numerator and x will be in denominator. But in reverse order, if you are going for byx, in that particular case x should be in numerator and the y should be in denominator. I hope this thing is clear to you now. And where the intermediate parameter what we are using in standard deviation methods are common, like small r is called coefficient of correlation, sigma x is called standard deviation of x. Here y is given, but it is not a y, this is x, and sigma y is nothing but standard deviation of y. So here we have covered the coefficient calculation of coefficient of regression using direct method and the standard deviation method, but actually we have three methods, right? So now in coming slide we'll see the third method also, that is called least square method. Least square method is a little bit different. If you are going for the least square method, for the line of regression y on x, the formula is y equal to a plus b into x, and x on y, the formula will be x equal to a plus b into y. This is called y on x because on left side we have x y, on right side we have x, and this is called x on y because on left side we have x and right side we have y. And if you want to calculate a and b, so to calculate a and b, here we build the equation. First equation is summation of y equal to a into n plus b into summation of x, and from the data set we will going to calculate summation of y, summation of x and capital N, and this will be considered equation number 1. In similar way, from the table we can also estimate summation of x into y equal to summation of x square. Whatever result will come, so that we're going to put in this equation. So we'll get the equation 1 and equation 2. So two equation will be there. So if we're going to solve these two equations simultaneously, then automatically we'll get the value of a and b, and value of a and b can be substituted over here, right? And where the a is nothing but it represent y-intercept, and b nothing but it represent basically slope, or it is also called coefficient of regression. So this is how we can calculate a and b, and so similar case can also be applied for x equal to a plus b into y. Also this is the line of regression x on y. and to calculate the parameters of a and b, we can use this equation, and all intermediate parameter can be evaluated from the table. So this is all about the calculation part of line of regression, and there might be the case you may not understand some of the thing, but don't worry, whenever we'll come to the problem solving part, over there you will going to understand everything in a clear sense. Thank you.